Joo joo. Nää. Tuolla välillä. Hei hei.
He works as a journalist on a newspaper that is published in a language not many people can read. Most Sámi are not able to read their own written language. The Sámi written language is new and unaccustomed for many Sámi people. There are a few Sámi newspapers, all of which struggle financially, but they are responsible for covering huge geographical areas. Today, there are 3 Sámi newspapers, 2 that write in the Sámi language and 1 that writes in Norwegian. They are published only 2 or 3 times a week. Few advertisers are willing to spend money on advertising in these newspapers, owing to the low circulation figures.
We are dependent of economic support from the government. The most Sámi people is illiterate in their own language, so they can't read in Sámi language. Therefore, we have few readers, about 1,200. When we have few readers, is it more difficult to get advertisers? Minaigi has a vision to be a newspaper for all the Sámi peoples. The Sámi people lives in 4 countries. It is a very big region. With few researchers, is it not easy to make a Sámi newspaper?
Occasionally, magazines are published in Sámi. In addition to newspapers and magazines, there are some Sámi publishing houses that publish books in Sámi.